What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. So start right in the middle at the very top. We're going to draw an oval going sideways and then back up. Along the top of the nose, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the highlight. And then we want to fill in the bottom of the nose in black. Let's draw the top edge of the muzzle. From the left side of the nose, we're going to step all the way out. We're going to curve this up and then bend that back down. Now we're going to draw the fur going out across the cheeks. From the left side, we're going to step up, bend this up, and then down towards the tip of the fur. And then do the exact same thing on the right. And then we want to add a point. So it's going to taper this back in so it gets a little bit wider. Let's add another point of fur going out and then down. Just bring that back in towards the side. Let's add one more curl, coming around and then down. Bend this back up and then down towards the chin. Come down across the chin and back up towards the right. And then bend that back down towards the tip of the fur. Let's add in the mouth. Just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve coming down and then up. Go back to the left side. Draw the bottom of the mouth coming down and up. And we'll place the tongue across the bottom with a curve. And you want to fill the top of the mouth in black. Now we're going to draw two large ovals for the eyes. Leave a small gap in the center. Start on the left side. We're going to go up, round out the eye, come down, and then in on the side. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going in and up, round out the eye, come down the side, and then in on top of the muzzle. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to draw another oval, going up, come around, and then in towards the bottom. And we'll trace that oval along the inside. Add a small circle across the top. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now in the center of the head along the top, we're going to add 3 curls of hair. We're going to start right in the middle. Start with the first one, going up, bend that down, and you go wider as you go up towards the middle and taper down towards the bottom. Let's add another one. We're going to go up and then bend that down, then it's up and down towards the middle. Let's add one more, going up and then out. Go all the way around the outside and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to draw the outside edge of the head. From the outside of the left eye, step out. I'm just going to angle this up and then out to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height. And then we want to round out the top of the head. Starting back on the left, we go up, bend that in, continue over on the right, going out, come around, and then down towards the side. Let's go to the side of the head and draw the outside edge of the ears. We're going to start on the left, we're going to go out, and then bend that up towards the top. Line this up on the right, going out, and then bending that up towards the same height. From the top, we're just going to bend the ear, coming in, and then down in behind the fur, coming in on the right side. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. On the left side, we leave a little gap, then it's out, and then in towards the hip. Go to the right side, going out, and then in. Now I want to draw that patch in the center of the body. From the top of the body, then it's in and then down towards the center, towards a point, then it's out towards the right. Now I want to add a point. Bend this back in, go up and then out towards the side of the body. Do that again, coming in, Now I'm going to draw a half oval from the left, coming down, and then back up. Underneath that half oval, we step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the ankle. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the base of the leg, coming down and up on both sides. Then we're going to go back up to the hip, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the bottom. Now we want to wrap a thick cuff around the ankles. From this point, we're going to step up, bend this out and then in. From the inside, we'll step up, going in and then back out. And now we're going to add that fold. On the left side, we're going to step out, going all the way out, across the bottom, and just tuck that in on the inside. From the inside of the cuff, let's draw the heel. Come in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom. Starting on the left side, we're going to come down and then bend that up towards the outside of the foot. Let's curve the foot, going up and then in towards the cuff. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. So I want to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's go to the top of the foot. We're going to add a seam, coming in and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, angle the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now just like we did with the legs, we're just going to round up the wrist, going up towards the outside of the arm, angle this up and then in underneath the head. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add that folded cuff, step up from the outside, come around and then in. And then we're going to add that fold across the bottom, starting on the outside, go all the way around towards the bottom, and just tuck that in. Now from the inside of the cuff, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Let's go over towards the side, add the second finger, going out and then in. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the hand and then in towards the cuff. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. And now we're going to bring 2 of those tails over towards the right. Let's start from the inside of the left leg, coming down and out in behind the right leg. Continue on the outside, going in behind the fist. And continue that curve going up towards the tip of the tail. Let's add a couple points on the end. Coming down and in. Go back up. Now I'm just going to draw the top of the tail, coming down and in behind the arm. Continue towards the hip. Let's layer the second tail in behind. So we're going to step up, and it's out and up behind the arm. Continue up towards the top. Now I'm going to add those same 2 points. Going down, go up, come down and in behind. Now let's separate the end of the tail with a zigzag pattern. We go up, down, and then out, and then across the bottom tail. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.